I'm Brenda Wall, the Executive Director of Family Promise of Lawrence, and I just want to say a huge thank you to Good Energy Solutions for this amazing gift. This is a gift that will keep on giving into future years, and we are so appreciative that they chose us to be the recipient of these solar panels this year. These solar panels are going to be a huge help to us as we look at utility bills this summer and on into the future.
Annually, this system is going to create about 7,000 kilowatt hours of electricity, and that translates to annual savings to Family Promise of about $900 a year. And what's even better is that savings amount grows every year as utility rates continue to climb consistently. Panels are rated and have an expected useful life of 40 years.
We're so thankful for Malcolm and your team and all that you've done to make this possible for us. So thank you very much.